In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a new link to your Google site. Whether you're building a site for your personal blog, a business portfolio, or just navigating through your daily tasks, adding links effectively can enhance your site's functionality and user experience. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. If you're already familiar with how to reach it, simply open your browser and enter the URL for your Google Sites dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the current layout of your site. This will help you decide where best to place any new links. On your Google Site dashboard, locate the Pages tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Pages will expand a menu showing all the pages currently in your site's navigation. This view is crucial as it helps you manage the structure and content of your site. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the Pages menu. You'll notice a plus button. Clicking this button allows you to add new elements to your site's navigation. This step is all about expanding your site's capabilities, giving you the flexibility to introduce new content or direct users elsewhere. In the menu that appears after clicking the plus button, select New Link. This option is specifically designed for creating links that will appear in your site's navigation, providing easy access to external resources or important internal pages. After selecting the New Link option, a new interface will appear where you can set up your link. Here you'll find two essential fields, Name and Link. The name you input is what visitors will see on your site, so choose something clear and descriptive. This will aid your audience in understanding the purpose or destination of the link with just a glance. Below the name field is the Link section. This is where you will input the URL you want to direct your visitors to. Make sure to double-check this URL for accuracy, as a broken link can lead to a frustrating user experience. There are several options available for linking. You can direct users to another page within your site, or to an entirely different website. Finally, finish up by confirming your entry. Once you're satisfied with the name and the URL, you simply click Done. Your new link will be added to your site's navigation, ready for visitors to use. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a new link to your Google site. This simple addition can vastly improve navigation, enhance user interaction, and provide streamlined access to more resources or content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you as you continue enhancing your Google site.